All right, we're gonna be checking out Fit for an Autopsy, Pandora. I have never sat down and listened to a song by them. In my personal experience, a couple of their members were extremely rude to my band when we opened up for them, so it made me go, fuck this band, I'm never listening to them. But whatever, I don't care. We're gonna check it out. I'm sure they're having a bad day or something. I don't know. But yeah, this is requested by BRX live on Twitch, so if you want to be part of the community, link is in the description. Come hang out with us live. And with that out of the way, let's get into it. Okie dokie. It's an interesting vocal effect. I like it though. The drums are fun, the guitars are fun. Feels like there's so much reverb on the vocals though. The mix is a little weird to me. But I am glad that it's not overproduced sounding like a lot of this kind of music. It sounds more raw. Just keeping it going. Okay, something new. I was kind of getting a little bored there because this isn't my style of music for the most part. So when it just was repeating, I was like, that was cool. Okay, huge. That'd be fun live. Nice. Sick. Even those like subtle ride hits in there. Oh, the riff in one ear. Sounds like the drummer's having a great time. I think that was the guy that was an asshole. Good guitar player, though. Interesting. Ooh. This is cool. Yeah, the drums are my favorite part, for sure. Oh shit. Yeah, this would go off live. Is that the end? If so, this is the cool outro. Okay, cool. I was gonna say, please be the end. It would be great if this was just a cool outro that fades out. Nice. Yeah. Cool. Cool song. First time hearing a Fit for an Autopsy song. Yeah, so this is not my kind of music because when there's no actual singing, I just don't really like how it sounds. It gets old and boring after a couple minutes for me. That's just my taste. Not that this was bad. If you're a fan of this kind of music, I can see why people talk about this band all the time and praise this band as being so fucking good, because they objectively are really good, just not my style. But that being said, there were a lot of sections in this that I thoroughly enjoyed. The guitar work, the drum work, some of the structure, some of the more melodic parts, obviously without the singing, with the tracks and stuff, or some clean guitars, I think. Some of the stuff that they were doing in the background was giving it a little bit of more melody to separate it from the heavier sections. Definitely, was it the second verse? There was a breakdown where there was like some cool shit going on, and then it cut to just this huge bass drop, open space on the chugs, the cymbals, and then when it repeated in one ear, there was a riff, and then on the next space between the chugs, on the other ear, there was a riff. So that kind of shit, like there were a lot of moments like that where I was like, this is dope. This is really cool. Good song, just not really my style, so I'm not gonna be saving it, but it was fun to check out.